Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Google Maps dark mode. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, make sure that your Google Maps app is up to date. Open the App Store and update Google Maps if there's an update available. Now launch the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Here, tap on your profile picture or initials located in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear. Scroll down to find the Settings option and tap on it. In the Settings menu, look for the dark mode option. It might be under a section labeled Using Maps, so tap it. Here, you'll see 3 options for dark mode. On, this will permanently switch Google Maps to dark mode regardless of your iPhone's system-wide dark mode setting. Off, this will disable dark mode specifically for Google Maps even if dark mode is enabled on your iPhone system-wide. Same as device setting, this will make Google Maps follow the dark mode setting you have chosen for your entire iPhone. If dark mode is enabled on your iPhone, Google Maps will also be in dark mode and vice versa. So just select Done. That is how to make Google Maps dark mode. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.